So we're going to learn how to make a bitter gourd and egg stir fry, and this is a classic Chinese household recipe that I'm sure you and your family will enjoy. As the name suggests, the bitter gourd is a bitter vegetable, so I'm going to show you a technique on how you can actually help reduce the bitter notes in the gourd itself to ensure that you're going to have an amazing dish at the end of the day that your whole family will enjoy. Let's start by prepping the bitter gourd by removing the tip. Now split it in half. We can't eat the fibrous core, so grab a spoon and scoop it all out. Slice each half into strips and cut them into bite-sized pieces at a 45-degree angle. In a large bowl, we're going to add our salt, and this will help draw out the moisture and reduce the bitterness in the bitter gourd. Get your hands in and give it a good massage to spread the salt evenly. Now set this aside for 20 to 30 minutes. Let's work on our aromatics. Mince your garlic and ginger and thinly slice some scallions. Next, in a small bowl, we'll add light soy sauce, oyster sauce, white pepper, chicken powder, sugar, cornstarch, and water. Give it a good mix. In a large bowl, beat your eggs to properly aerate it to give it a nice texture later on, and add some salt to season. With the magic of time, the salt will have extracted the excess moisture from your bitter gourd like this. Let's get rid of the extracted juice and the excess salt by rinsing the bitter gourd with water for about 2 to 3 times. To a hot and clean wok, we're going to add the bitter gourd to give it a dry fry. We don't need any oil at this point in time because we just want to make sure we're going to get rid of that raw bitter taste. After about 1 to 2 minutes, take it off the heat and add your bitter gourd into the egg mixture we prepared earlier. Mix well to ensure an even coating. Now back to the wok, heat it up and add some oil. Add your eggs and bitter gourd. Push the egg around to get more surface in contact with the wok. When the bottom of your omelette is nice and brown, flip it around to give the other side a chance to cook as well. Stir it around and give it a good scramble for another minute or so, and then take it off the heat. After you've given your wok a good wash, heat it up again and add some oil. Very quickly now, we're going to stir fry our aromatics to give it a chance to brown and release its fragrance. And then we're going to add back in our bitter gourd and egg mixture and give it a fry. Now add the cornstarch slurry and give it a good mix to make sure everything has an even coating. This last step will add a huge level of umami to your dish. Now you're ready to serve. Here's my bitter gourd egg stir fry, a classic Chinese home-cooked recipe that's bound to please the whole family.